Okay, I just woke up this morning about an hour ago. I look outside and part of our grass is mowed. Then there's this path that someone drove through our yard with a lawnmower. They left a mess on our sidewalk. They went all the way around our house over here. They went into our backyard. It's just a small path. You can see the rest of it's not mowed, and they got it down pretty far because we had just mowed the grass because we tend to keep it long. They drove over here. They drove through our backyard. They ended up hitting our tie out and destroyed our tie out. Then they make a turn, go back behind our garage. And this is not a normal driving path for anybody or anyone. We're inside the city. They drive back behind our yard and our garage. They go along behind our garage. Oh, I see a broken window too. Drive around the edge of our garage, along the edge of the driveway, up onto the driveway. And then somehow, well, they had to go down around my van. Yeah, they pulled off into the neighbor's yard. You can see a little bit right here where the edge of it is. Go through the neighbor's yard, and then that's it. No one else's lawn has been touched. You can see no one else's has been touched. But yet ours is a wreck.